Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. This video is the first video that is start of video series of Internet of Things. Let's begin. What is IoT? The Internet of Things IoT is a network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors and network connectivity that enables these objects to collect and exchange data. IoT refers to a system of interrelated internet-connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. Why IoT matters? When something is connected to the internet, that means it can send information or receive information or can do both. This ability to send or receive information makes things smart, and smart is good. To be smart, a thing doesn't need to have super storage or a supercomputer inside of it. All a thing has to do is connect to super storage or a supercomputer. In IoT, the things that are being connected to the internet are put into three categories. Number one is things that collect information and then send it. Number two, things that receive information and then act on it. Number three is things that do both, that is collect and receive. Let's see this example. Smart Internet of Things School. Let's see all the things in the Smart School. Number one is personalized learning with adaptive e-textbooks. Next is digital classroom, whiteboards and display. Next is iBeacons. This is protocol by Apple. Complete coverage with high performance Wi-Fi. Next here is wearables for athletics and attendance tracking. Next here is supplies and inventory tracking by sensor with auto reorder. Next is sensors track buses and verify student passengers. Sensors in parking lot and driveways. Wi-Fi sensors and locks for entrances and exits and for classroom doors in the school. Next up is surveillance security cameras, robot cleaning, augmented and virtual reality, sensors on trash receptacles, online testing, video recorders for lecture capture, student devices and e-textbooks. This includes notebooks, tablets, smartphones. This project is implemented by IoT, that is the Smart Internet of Things School. Here, IoT is implemented to make school smart. Let's see driving forces of IoT. Number one is sensor technology. It is tiny, cheap, and it has variety. Number two is chip miniature computers. Number three is low power connectivity. Number four, capable mobile devices. And fifth is power of the cloud. Let's see some more examples of smart IoT devices. Let's see first one, patient health monitoring system. IoT patient monitoring has three sensors. The first one is temperature sensor, second is heartbeat sensor, and third is humidity sensor. This project is useful since the doctor can monitor patient health parameters just by visiting a website or URL. And nowadays, IoT apps are also being developed. The doctor or family members can monitor or keep the track of patient's health through the Android apps. Next is smart refrigerators. It has a touchscreen interface and the ability to connect to the internet through Wi-Fi to provide a number of features. This smart refrigerators can connect with other smart devices. This smart refrigerator have some features. With the help of touchscreen interface, one can look up recipes and have your fridge read the steps while you cook, create grocery list, set expiry dates and receive notifications to use food while it's fresh, and others. Third example is wearable devices. This can be health and fitness oriented devices that offer biometric measurements such as heart rate, perspiration levels, and even complex measurements like oxygen levels in the bloodstream. These wearables have the ability to sense, store, and track biometric measurements over time and then analyze the result. These have tracking body temperature, for example, might provide an early indication of whether a cold or the flu is on the way. These are the 3 simple examples of smart IoT devices. This is the first video which covers the concept of IoT with example. In this video, I covered some basic and simple example of IoT, of smart IoT devices. If you have any questions regarding this video, let me know in the comments box below. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.